Hola my lovely friends, I'm Blanco. May I just say, what a lovely day to have a Spanish lesson.
This room, this night, that waiter, his shoes, I must take a mental picture.
Today we're gonna talk about the verb estar. Are you excited? Well, I am. A verb estar means again to be. I said again because last time we were talking about a verb ser that also means to be. If you haven't seen this episode, I highly encourage you to do so. I leave a link in the top right corner. I will also put a link in the description and at the end of this video, because it's sort of a package in Spanish and it's very different from English. Now let's have a good look at it. Estar means to be. I will show you in a minute when to use it and we'll conjugate it in presente de indicativo, sort of simple present in Spanish. Estar, like ser, is also irregular, so no luck again, you'll just have to learn it by heart. We already know about ser and estar, and that both of them means to be in English. Generally speaking, you should link ser to permanent things like a name, physical appearance, origin, date, time, etc. and estar to temporary things like emotion, position, etc. But I must warn you, not every use of ser and estar fits perfectly in that bracket. For example, we will use ser to tell the time, which in fact is very temporary. In a minute the time is different. On the other hand, we will use estar to tell the location. You know, Madrid is in Spain and always will be, and its location is very permanent. But anyway, we will use estar. Alright, enough spoilers for the moment. We'll do a proper review of use of estar in a bit. Now let me remind you, or show you, if you haven't seen the last lesson, the personal pronouns real quick before we conjugate estar. In singular we have yo, which is I, tú, which is you, él, which is he, ella, which is she, and usted, which is a formal form to both male and female. In plural, it's a little bit more complicated because you have a separate personal pronouns for male and mixed groups and female groups. Remember, one boy is enough to treat a group as a mixed group which have the same personal pronoun as a male group. So we have nosotros, which is we for a male and mixed group, and nosotras for a female group. Vosotros, which is you in plural for a male and mixed group, and vosotras for a female group. Ellos, which is they for a male and mixed group, ellas for a female group, and ustedes, which is a formal plural form, and again, it does not depend on the gender. Now the expected conjugation of verb estar. Yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros, nosotras estamos, vosotros, vosotras estáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes, están. Once again, try saying with me. Yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotros, vosotras estáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Thank you, Paco, for the comments. You have to used to the accents. There is no escape from that. We finally arrived to the most appealing part, the use of a star. We use a star to tell the position. I have two very different examples for you. Madrid está en España. Estoy de pie. Estar is also used to describe the location, which is not that different than a position. Estamos en Caracas. Pablo está en casa. To picture an ongoing activity, you use estar to. Laura está cocinando. Estar will be used talking about temporary situations like someone's actual condition or temperature of meals. Mi jefe está enfermo. La sopa está caliente. To express emotions, we will choose estar as well. Ellas están felices. I prepared some exercises for you, so you can check if you remembered the conjugation. I put a correct personal pronoun in parentheses if it's not obvious from the context. Your job is just to conjugate estar. Good job, my lovely friends. But I'm afraid that's it for today's. I hope you found this lesson worthful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that you don't miss a thing. Bye!